So welcome to another quick Amazon purchase. Now, here's another one, exactly the same as what I just bought. So you said, well, do you need two of them? Well, actually what happened was, and I'll dismantle this one to show you just how wonderful this machine is. You pop it off, and there is a blade, a cutting blade in here. But when I went to use mine, there was no cutting blade, and I don't know what happened. Did I clean it and get distracted and put it somewhere crazy? Who knows? But all I know is I've got this fabulous product with no cutting blade. So that's never good. So this is no good right now, but I'm not going to throw it out. I'm going to hold on to it. This slides in, and this is where, this is like your little canister that holds all the fluff that the cutting blade catches. So let me show you this. I wouldn't imagine sitting down to my ironing board without a couple things. Defuzzer, the iron, of course, water for the steam iron, and a lint brush, and possibly a cloth, depending on a tea towel, white tea towel, to steam or press some of the clothing. So this one, you just take it. It's got 3 different heights. So this will be closer. Okay, so this gives you a little more depth, depending on how high the pile is and the pilling. This pops off. This unscrews. And that's as simple as it is. This comes off, and you can clean in here to make sure it's nice and clean. I use eyebrow tweezers and things like that just to make sure I keep everything nice, because this little spot right in here, you want to keep this little track in here clean and lint free. Now, I will tell you one thing that I've learned about this unit. Conair does not sell, line that up there, Conair does not sell replacement cutting blades for their machines. I did look, and there's not enough specification to go and order something else from somewhere else on Amazon. So it's a little bit upsetting. But here we are. I'm just going to plug that in for you and turn it on so you can hear it. That's it. And you can change the heights like I said. And you can have that right at your station. So when you're cleaning and pressing your clothes, this is right here to keep everything nice. And because, you know, when your clothes look tired and disheveled, that might, you know, as an image consultant, that could infer different things, that maybe you're tired. So always keep your clothes nice and fresh and crisp and clean. And you can really make it easy with a fabric defuzzer for things like your sweaters, anything that pills. Love this product, highly recommend this product, wouldn't be without it.